Make sure to watch Part 2A. This video is Part 2B electrical of Part 2A electrical. Disconnecting the battery via the ground terminal. Removing the battery vent tube and fuse cover to get access to the mega fuse. Removing the battery connection off of the mega fuse. Test fitting the circuit breakers and marking their location with the automatic punch. Drilling the mounting holes for the circuit breakers. Attaching the circuit breakers. The mounted circuit breakers. Running an extension wire from the 7-pin trailer 12 volts to the 40 amp circuit breaker. Releasing the marker, turn, lens assembly to add the smart isolator. This tab was pushed on to release the lens. Drilling a hole to secure the smart isolator. Installing a U-nut to better secure the isolator. Drilling an increasing larger hole for the disable switch status light. Installing the switch. Putting a ring lug on the 8-gauge extension 7-pin trailer connection and connecting it to a 40 amp circuit breaker. Connecting 8-gauge wires from the mega battery fuse lug to both 40 and 30 amp circuit breakers. Wiring up the rest of the disable switch along with the smart isolator using 10-gauge thick black wires between the two batteries since the circuit breaker is set to 30 amps. Putting rubber caps on the 30 amp circuit breaker since we'll be outside the fuse box cover. Joining the 10-gauge wire from the isolator to the 12-volt wire from the truck camper cable. Putting back on the fuse cover box and attaching the vent hose to the battery. Grounding a 10-gauge ground wire from the truck camper cable by installing a ring lug onto it and screwing it into the current battery ground bolt. Reattaching the battery. Putting a wire loom over the disable switch wiring to protect the wires. The moment of truth. The disable switch works and the LED status light changes. Hope this helps. You can help me by liking and subscribing. Thank you.